Wake up! Wake up!
Oh, you're finally awake. Your elevator crash was quite a sight. Do whatever you want. Goodbye.
Want to get out of here? Then get me an apple and put it on the table. And then I'll give you a card so you can open the door. I know the ventilation here isn't properly sealed, so...
Quickly, over here! We wanted to run away. Well, my name is Verver. Do you want to join me in my lessons? You're already here, so I will ask you a few questions, and you can answer them using the tapes on the tables. Don't you dare answer them incorrectly. The first question, we can start with this. How much is 5 plus 3?
8.
Well done! Question 2. Who is the kindest talisman?
Chip.
You are so smart! The final question. Who is the worst member of the Verver Daycare family?
Verver.
Wow! I'm going to the cafeteria for a break. Meanwhile, you sit here and don't you jelly.
his eyes. I understand you want to get out. Follow me. I'll take you to the room with the windows on the top and bottom floors. Did you hear that? I think it's someone else. I'll go into the room to calm him down. Continue on without me.
Gotcha! Huh? So, I saved your life. In return, you must help me find one thing I can't tell you about yet. First, bring me the key that's in this warehouse. I'll need it later. Did you find it? With such sights, I'm not sure that you can help me, but I still need a partner. Can you do it faster? Bum 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 bum. Can you do it faster? Did you find it? Okay, thank you.
Here you need to place the keys and jump on the lamps into the room. Good luck! First the one with the arrow pointing up. Bye bye.
Whoever here, come to my door. You make right choice, looking for the elevator. This will take you below. One of my colleagues has decided to help you. Go to Herman's door.